What's up, AVI? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing rim guards. We're going to walk you through the process of how to do it and give you a quick review. We'll put the link in the description below for them. You can cover up curb rash with it and lots of other things you can do. You can change the color of your outer rim. I kept black for mine, but we're going to show you the step-by-step process and let you know how we like them. Let's get to it. So there's lots of different brands you can get. I just got one from eBay that was like $7. So I wanted to see if like a cheap one could do the same thing that a expensive one could do, see if it was just as good. So basically what it's going to do is it's going to go around the whole outside of this rim right here. Make sure cover up. If you curb it or something, it won't be affected. I actually have some curb rash on some of my rims. Like right here, you can see it's pretty bad. I got cut off and had to hit the curb rather than hit them. So hopefully this will cover up, but we'll see. Let's get to it. What I decided is I'm going to do this one first because I have this curb rash right here. We're going to take that adhesion promoter that you guys should get within your package. And we're going to put that along the outskirts of the rim just to make sure everything's going to be as sticky as possible, so that way it doesn't come off when you drive or hit a bump or something. You're going to put that along the whole outside of the rim. Make sure your rim is nice and clean too. I read that don't use tire shine right before you put these on because it'll not let it stick as easily. So you're going to put it along the outside of the rim. If this could cover that curb rash, I'd be very happy. We're going to start at the top. You're only going to peel off a little bit from the backing, just a little bit to get it started. I'm going to go this way. When you get it on, just press it on and hold it. There we go, it's sticking nicely. Make sure you can still see that tab so you can start to pull off. Just go a little bit at a time. Make sure it's nice and stuck. And as I said, these can come in different colors. So if you have a black car and you want to use red, you can do that too. I just got black on black. I think my whole car is black, so just to keep the black theme going. Look at that, it covers up perfectly the curb rash that I had. And you can't even tell that you have rim guards on when you get the same color. Pull this down a little bit, make sure it sticks. Just take your time when you do it, don't rush. Bottom is a little bit more tricky. Okay, now comes the important part. When you get back to the top, you're going to want to take some sort of knife, line it up, and just cut it very carefully right where you want it to cut, and then line it up to the other one. I have to cut a little more. There we go. Make sure that seal is nice and tight. And there you go. Just like that. One rim is done. Okay, AVI, we just finished all 4 tires. Honestly, I had a very hard time getting them to stick onto the rim really effectively, so I wouldn't recommend this one, even though it was 3M tape to adhere it to the rim. It didn't really do a great job at it. So I'm gonna drive home, see if they stay on. If they stay on, we'll see how long they stay on for, but if not, then I'm just gonna take them off and try it again with a better quality. Obviously this one was like a budget kind of rim guard to see if you really needed to buy the expensive one. So far I would say buy the more expensive one. Hey, made it home, and actually the rim guards stayed on, surprisingly. So I guess you can get away with getting the cheap one. If they come off, I'm gonna try to get a more expensive brand and let you know, but I would say 2 stars out of 5, not great, not terrible. So stay tuned for more videos just like that. AVI out.